Hello everyone, and congratulations on reaching level 4. So today I'm going to briefly take you through chapter 4.1, starting on page 93, in order to familiarize you with some algebraic terminology. In a minute, or maybe 5 minutes, you're going to see how easy this whole thing is. All right, let's get started. The very first sentence on page 93 says, in an algebraic expression, parts separated by plus or minus signs are called terms. So, first of all, what makes an algebraic expression, you guys? If you said the presence of variables, you are absolutely right. Here's our expression, 2x minus 3y plus 8 variables. And this expression, of course, being x and y, right? So let's reread that sentence once more. In an algebraic expression, parts separated by plus or minus signs are called terms, right? Parts separated by plus or minus signs are called terms. According to this definition, we've got 3 terms in this algebraic expression, right? We've got 2x. Then what's the second one? Tell me you noticed it. Yep, negative 3y. Be very careful about the signs. And 8. I mean, we just don't acknowledge positive numbers somehow. So we don't say positive 8, right? So 2x, negative x, 3y, forgive me, and 8. Those are the terms of this algebraic expression here. All right, let's go back to blue color. All right. Next, the numerical part, including the sign of a term, is called the coefficient of a variable. Okay, the numerical part of the term, including its sign, is called the coefficient. So we've got 3 terms, 2x, negative 3y, and 8. In this one, number 2 is the coefficient. In this term, negative 3 is the coefficient, right? And number 8 does not have, excuse me, a variable. So it is not a coefficient, we call it a constant term. Can you think why we call 8 a constant term? It's because its value will never change, right? It does not have a variable attached to it. All right, so just in these few minutes, couple of minutes maybe, we have learned a few terms, right? A few code words for algebra. So first we learned the word terms, right? So parts of the algebraic expression separated by plus or minus signs only, you guys, right? Then we learned the word coefficient, right? For numbers attached to variables. And we learned the word constant term for numbers without variables, right? They're constant, they won't change. All right. So next, we're going to explore like and unlike terms. Like and unlike terms. So at the very bottom of page 93, you see this sorting activity. So essentially, you're going to need to sort all of these numbers and variables into their teams. So if we start with the very beginning, let's say negative 5x, right? Negative 5x. Let's see, the next one is 3x squared. I say that's on a different team. Next one is 3xy. It's the xy team. Then 4x, it's the x team. Next, 2x squared. The x squared team. Excuse me. I should drink some water. All right, we've got 7y in a team of its own, 3y, and then we've got 6xy, negative 6xy. I just made that same